Yo, what's going on, everyone? It's been a minute. I've hadn't made a video since that last time. I think it was receiving a payout, or I was close to getting a second payout, something like that, right? Um, yeah, I want to get back to it. I've actually been so busy at work. I haven't been able to make time to make videos. I've still been trading within the range. I've been trading at work and during the nighttime as well. So I really don't have time to be making videos like that. So hopefully you guys been good, been doing trading good. So we'll get right into it. Um, we I remember, I don't know if you remember, guys, but I had a Topstep account. I blew that funded account up. Yeah, it was a tough one. I was able to get three payouts from them, or two. I think it was two payouts from them before I blew it up, so it wasn't bad. I think it was a $800 payout and $1,000 payout. And yeah, so I'm resetting with Top Step, and I'm hoping to do better along the way. Find out my mistakes. I saw what I did wrong, why I blew it, and just gotta work for it. Just gotta work for it. I also there's times when I have FOMO. I actually had a FOMO this morning. I'll go over with you guys. I actually lost the trade this morning, but this one trade I took, I recuperated that back. As you guys can see, this today, I had lost 1,000, and then I lost almost another 1,000, and then 200. It was early this morning. You guys can see. My trades I took this morning. That one loss, that one big win covered the majority of it. Turned into profit actually, as you guys will see. Let me move this to the side real fast. You guys will see for this month of May. Yep. As you guys can see, I took four trades. I go over those four trades with you guys, but I took four trades and came out with almost with the $600 profit. So hey, I can't complain. I was down big this morning. I had a rough start. Like I said, I got kind of FOMO and kind of just revenge trading today. I don't know what happened to me. Everyone has those days. But as you guys can see, for the month of May, I don't know where to put my scroller at. Oh, there, can make it a little bit smaller. Okay, yeah. But this is for the month of May, guys. As you guys can see, May 2025. Being real with you guys with my trades I took. I had a rough start on this month. Was able to come out profit overall. You guys can see my trades. I'm being real transparent with you guys. Can I go over? Yep. See, guys, I took these trades. There you go. The times I took these trades, guys. You see, 2 in the morning. I was up at 2 in the morning, guys. Then I took another trade at 3. And then another trade at 5. And then I took this good trade that kind of helped me out with covered these big losses. So yeah, I kind of got a late entry here. And these two, I think I just kind of FOMO'd or just kind of was just revenge trading. Didn't turn out so well, so I gotta work on myself with that. But this one, I did take a good trade on this one. Actually, my setup was there. I took it. See what happens when I wait for my setup, guys. So yeah, I just gotta be real consistent. I just gotta be, I gotta be able to manage my emotions as well. So yeah, we go over these trades, guys. But yeah, I was able to recover from these four total trades. Took all those three trades were bad trades, honestly. They were bad trades for me. I don't know why I took them. I actually questioned myself that, but hey, turned out to be green. That is today. So and finished the week pretty strong. Lost $73. Other than that, I can complain. Had a good day. I haven't been able to take it. This is my Apex account. My Apex funded account. Still haven't been able to take a payout from them, guys. I don't know why. I guess because I didn't follow that 30% consistency rule. So that's whatever. Like I said, I'm trying to get a payout from Apex. I still haven't been able to. So yeah, I'm still trading their funded account. I still have it. Still haven't received the payout. But I'm not. I guess I'm not too worried about it because I'm at work. So I'm just being steady, being consistent. As you guys can see, I've been doing a little bit better with my reward to risk ratio. You guys can see, I'm almost 1-1, so I'm getting there little by little. Trying to make it where it's risking 1 and 2. That's how I want. You want the green to be bigger than the red, right? Obviously. I also opened a funded futures account. Uh, you guys, I'm trying it out. Kind of it was on a deal, so I got it. I, that's the thing. I took that trade that early that morning as well. That's where I took that bad trade. being inconsistent, not following my plan, just kind of FOMOing in. So I'm trying to get this funded account, this funded futures account, see how this goes, see if this is better than um, Apex. So we'll see how this funded futures network comes out. Hopefully, I'm able to be able to pass this within the end of June. So let's hope I can. So I'm hoping how this works out. Hopefully this works out good. And I can't trade this through my phone. I don't know how. If you guys know know a way I can trade this funded futures through my phone, let me know. But it doesn't let me. I've been trying ways, so I kind of gotta trade when I'm here at the house for funded futures network, because I don't know if they have an application where I can download on my phone and be able to trade through there. It doesn't let me. If you guys know one, let me know. I really want to pass this funded account as well. So I'm trying this one out. I like Top Step. Top Step was real good. I really liked them. I'll start back up with them this upcoming Monday. So I'm hoping to be able to pass that evaluation account and get funded with Top Step. I like their rules. They were pretty consistent. Was able to receive 3 payouts or 2, and yeah. So we'll get right to it. And then Apex, I guess I'm just building my account up. I'm almost up like 10,000. I got like 8,000. So I haven't been able to withdraw no profits whatsoever. So if you guys can let me know as well what else I can do to be able to receive a payout from them. I requested a payout. They denied me because of the 30% consistency rule, guys. So if you guys know of a way I can get a payout from them, let me know. But we'll jump into my trades that I took this morning. So we're going to go in this morning. As you guys can see, put this a little bit more down. As you guys can see, we had support here. Yesterday overnight, the day before overnight, or whatever, right? You got support. We bounced. We came back. I took a trade right here. I took a good trade right here as well, guys. Was able to get. I went in as puts for that. I bet that the market was going to go down. Did a good trade on that one. I made 844 on that one on my Apex funded account. And then on my funded futures, I had made 1100. So it was a good trade I took overall with that big trade I took. That one rode kind of the wave almost all the way down. I probably rode it this almost all the way down. But I want to go over the trade I took this morning, which kind of gets to me. All right, we'll go over it. I'll delete all this. So when I got up, guys, 2 in the morning, as you guys saw that I was trading at 2 in the morning. I got up. So it had bounced on this previous support that it tested right here before. You saw this bounce right here. So I was waiting for one more bounce. Of course, it took it overnight. And you know me, I probably would have went in around this 59.10 level and rode this wave up to the 59.20s, right? Maybe, right? I don't know. It's hard to say, right? But anyways, I rode that wave. I kind of, got FOMO, fear of missing out early that morning. My entry was around this price range right here. Does it say the price range on the? So you guys can see, I'm not lying to you guys. I took a long. Yeah, what you say, right? Give me a minute. Yeah, I see along that 59.18, guys, and I sold for 59.06, I guess. Right? I want to say that says right. I still don't know how to read it, guys. Oh, there it is. See, my entry was at 59.17 and I exited at 59.07, guys. That was a pretty big hit. See, you see my average entry was at 59.17. It was a dumb trade I took, honestly, guys. It was a dumb trade. So I went in around about right here. I went in about this 59.17 level right here, guys. I kind of got FOMO. Like I said, it was a dumb trade I took, stupid trade, right? I would have taken it right here when I saw this market retest the support level. I would have gone in at this 59.10 level and rode it for a 10-point move, $1,000 profit, guys. I would have been happy and go back to sleep, right? But of course, no, I got FOMO. That's what the trade I took. That was the trade I took. That made me, and then I kind of sold when it kind of came back down. If I was to hold, of course, I was gonna make not much of it anyways, but I could have made maybe $400 off of it. That's what happens when you take a late ass entry and you're just FOMOing in and scared of missing out. And that's what I had this morning, being straight up with you guys. Anyway, so that happened, and then I just took dumbass trades early that morning as well, just kind of playing around with it, I guess. Just whatever. It was early that morning, and I don't know, just dumb trades I took that I should have never taken. Right? I guess I just kind of was revenge trading at that point. Yeah, kind of. I'm kind of upset about it. So yeah, guys, that's just looking at it. I'm just like, damn. This was a late entry I took, and these next two trades, they were just revenge trading. Just whatever. I wasn't in my mood. And then that $2,700 profit you guys see, my setup was there, right, and I took it. I'll go over with you guys. So, anyways, I took dumbass trades. I was like, whatever. Got ready for work. I went to the gym early that morning. Then I went to work. Then I saw this. This caught my eye. I saw my setup, guys. We had one rejection right here. We had one rejection. We had another rejection. And we had a beautiful rejection right here, guys. Beautiful rejection. My setup was there. I was like, hey, I'm taking this trade. I went in on my trade right here, 59.14 around this level. We'll go back over here. My $2,700 profit I made right here. Went in. Look at that. My average entry was 59.14. I shorted the market. Exited at 58.95. What a 20-point move, guys. Oh man, that was a blessing, guys. That was really a blessing. I was happy. I was grateful. Man, a 20-point move, you can't beat that, guys. I came in. Look at that. Came in back strong. I was down big time, right? I was down like what, like almost 3,000 or no, like 2,000, like 2,000, right? It was 2,000, 2,200, right? Pretty much. Anyways, yeah. So I was able to capitalize on this good move, guys. I was able to. How do you go back? Give me a minute. Yeah. What was I talking about? Oh, well, anyways, yeah, I was able to capitalize on this move, guys. It was a 20-point move. I went in with 3 contracts. I usually go in with 2, but it was a nice setup. So I went in with 3 contracts. It was a nice setup, guys. I wasn't risking much. That was a 20-point move. You can't beat that, guys. I was happy. I was excited. You know what I mean? That right there was a star. It was a show right there, guys. I was excited when I saw all that. I mean, shoot, yeah. It was tough, but anyways, yeah, I got this. Was able to recover what was it, almost 2,000, right? 2,100. I had a 2,100 early that morning, 5:16. I was already with the $2,100 loss, guys. I was at the gym when I took this dumb trade. I just took it just to take it. But anyways, yeah, I took that trade. As you guys can see, it came in my favor. We got one rejection. We got the second rejection. We got the third rejection. And I went in. I went in around this 59.14 level, and I had my stop loss right above the wick of here. It almost took me out. It almost did, right? I was about to be down for almost $3,000 for the day. But you saw, guys, how I hold it, and I took all this baby. I of course could have made more money, right? But hey, I was happy with this trade right here. Recovered my losses, and I made money, guys. That's all that matters to me. So that's the trades I took. Kept it simple, guys, and I stopped trading. I traded those, and I got out from there. Was happy with my move. See, all you have to do is just wait for your setup. You don't need a revenge trade, and I need to do better of that. I'm not a perfect trader. I've tried to be, right, but nobody's perfect. It is what it is. But I've tried it, guys. I'm happy with the trades I took. I'm excited. So we'll see what brings us from there, right? I hope you guys have a good weekend. I'll try to make more videos. Just like I said, I've been busy on myself, been busy with work. And if you guys like this type of content, let me know. Give me a like, subscribe to my channel. It'll be helpful, guys. And watch me trade these. Watch me trade. I really wanna. I really wanna do this full time. I'm not rushing myself, but I want to do this full time. This is like something I want to do. Be able to quit my job and be able to commit to full-time trading. With the profits I make, I want to be able to fund my own self and start day trading with SPY and QQQ. Have that on the side as well. You know what I mean? So if you guys can give me a like, subscribe to my channel, that'll be helpful. And you guys see me trade. You guys see my losses. You guys see my win. I show you guys everything on TradeZella. So I just being real with you guys. Had a good month this month. Turned out to be green this month. I was green last month as well, if I'm not mistaken. We'll go. We'll check. We'll check. I want to say I was, but I was green overall, guys. As you guys can see, I had a couple losses, not big. I had bigger winners than losses, so kind of helped out at the end, guys. I think I was profit also last month. Check it out. The day of April 2025, you see, was that's when I started my funded account. So yes, I was profit. The half of the month. It turned out good, guys. I was happy, grateful, took good trades. I've been being real consistent with you guys here. Yeah, we'll see how June brings up, and hey, I'm ready for June, guys. June is my birthday as well, guys, so I'm hoping we can end the month strong in June. Other than that, guys, you guys have a good weekend. Enjoy yourself. Get away from the computers, and have a mental health weekend. Anyways, peace, guys. I'll talk to you later.